Hi, I'm Annie Fitzsimmons. I'm your Washington REALTORS legal hotline lawyer. Every one of you, since you hold a Washington real estate broker's license, is required to deliver real estate brokerage services with reasonable skill and care. What does reasonable skill and care mean? It is a negligence standard. It means that you will act in every situation in which you're delivering real estate brokerage services in the manner expected of a reasonably prudent real estate broker. How do you know how a reasonably prudent real estate broker will act? My suggestion is you ask. What do I mean by that? You are necessarily, in this career of yours, going to encounter repeatedly brand new situations, experiences you have never encountered before, difficult fact patterns that you don't know how to solve. And oftentimes, in that we are, in this industry, a bunch of independent contractors, there is the tendency to feel like I am all alone in solving this problem. What I want you to know is you are never all alone in solving this problem. Even as an independent contractor, you are part of a network intended to help create solutions for the problems or the goals, better yet, that your consumer clients have set for themselves. What on earth do I mean by all of that? You're a broker licensed to a firm. Your designated broker is a resource for you to help you figure out solutions to problems. Managing brokers licensed to your firm are resources for you to help you figure out solutions to problems. Other brokers licensed to your firm, the broker on the other side of the transaction, your escrow and title officer, the Washington REALTORS legal hotline lawyer, Washington REALTORS Association, your local association, your firm's E&O carrier, the Department of Licensing itself. You have unlimited resources available to you to help you determine how a reasonably prudent real estate broker would act in a given situation. So brokers, when you are in the middle of a tough situation or any situation that you don't know how to solve, ask. Ask your designated broker. Ask a broker who sits near you. Ask the broker on the other side of the transaction. And of course, if you're trying to determine strategy for your client, don't ask the broker on the other side of the transaction. But oftentimes, the broker on the other side of the transaction has the same goal as you. Smooth glide into closing. How do we break down the barriers that are creating obstacles to that? Maybe it's the broker on the other side of the transaction who is the person you most need to ask. Utilize your resources, brokers. You are not alone. Please don't go through this career of yours as though you are. Because when you do that, you're not only going to create problems for yourself, not knowing how a reasonably prudent real estate broker would act in a given situation, but you're also not going to help your client achieve their goals in the most efficient manner. You've got resources, use them. We wrote an article at Washington REALTORS helping you to identify 10 resources that are available to every one of you. I am absolutely certain that you as an individual have even more resources available to you if you think about it. So I'm encouraging you to recognize your resources, develop relationships so that it's easy to not only utilize your resources, but to be a resource to other people, and then to ask for the assistance that you need. And as always, if I can be a resource to you, send a question to me, legalhotline@warealtor.org. Thank you for being a Washington REALTORS member.